How do biotic and abiotic factors differ in an ecosystem? Imagine walking through a forest or standing on a beach. Have you ever wondered what shapes the life around you? It's a mix of living things and non-living elements working together. Today, we're going to explore how these parts differ and what they mean for ecosystems. Biotic factors are all the living parts of an environment. This includes trees, animals, insects, bacteria, fungi, and even humans. These are the creatures that grow, reproduce, and interact with each other. They depend on one another for food, shelter, and survival. For example, a squirrel depends on trees for food and shelter. Abiotic factors are the non-living parts of an ecosystem. These include sunlight, temperature, soil, water, air, and minerals. These elements are not alive but influence the environment greatly. For instance, sunlight provides energy for plants to grow, and soil quality affects what plants can thrive. The main difference is that biotic factors are living and can change over time. They grow, reproduce, and sometimes die. Abiotic factors are non-living and do not change on their own, but they can shift due to external forces like weather or geological events. Biotic factors relying on abiotic factors to survive. Plants need sunlight, water, and nutrients from soil. Animals need food, water, and suitable temperatures. Without these abiotic elements, living things cannot exist or flourish. On the other hand, abiotic factors influence where and how organisms live. For example, a cold climate limits the types of plants and animals in that area. If the soil is too acidic or the water is scarce, only certain species can survive there. Living organisms interact with each other through relationships like predation, competition, and cooperation. These interactions shape the ecosystem's structure. Abiotic factors do not interact in this way but set the stage for these interactions to happen. Organisms can adapt to changes in biotic and abiotic factors. For example, some plants can survive droughts by developing deeper roots. But abiotic factors like climate or soil composition do not adapt. They change due to natural processes or human influence. To sum up, biotic factors are the living parts that grow, reproduce, and interact, while abiotic factors are the non-living elements that influence the environment. Both are essential for understanding how ecosystems function and stay balanced. Changes in abiotic factors like rainfall or temperature can directly affect which plants grow and which animals can live there. Studying both types of factors helps us see how ecosystems stay healthy and resilient. Managing or restoring habitats involves knowing how living organisms and their physical environment work together. This understanding guides efforts to protect biodiversity and maintain sustainable ecosystems.